What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? So today I'm here with a cleaning video. Clean my refrigerator video. Like, what's she doing? She don't never do this. I know y'all, but I had to do it. I had to clean the refrigerator anyway, so I might as well put it on camera and let y'all see. Hopefully I can motivate somebody to get up and clean the refrigerator, clean the cabinet, clean the floor, clean something during this quarantine. You know, keep yourself busy so you won't go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs or whatever. But anyway, so I went to go shopping a couple of days ago, and how we do it up in this household, I asked my husband to clean the fridge before I go, but this time I forgot, and you know, he went with me this time, and you know, that's why this happened or whatever like that. So now I'm stuck with this. I was just, you know, trying to figure out where I want my little stands to go at, because sometimes it just be in the wrong place, and you know, some items are taller, so it just be a whole mess. So that's why I was taking so long to figure out what I wanted, and I'm pretty sure I didn't want it like this anyways, but I just kept it like this because nobody got time for all that, like, really. So now I'm just stacking my stuff back in. I'm wiping it down, stacking it up and everything. And yeah, watch me again. This is the finished product. I got a lot of condiments and stuff like that, so it's still gonna look kind of cluttery and stuff. So yeah, I'm done with this part. Now let's move on to the dum. So yeah, at this point it became a family affair because I asked my son to help me, so he was taking all the stuff out for me and everything like that. What up, Daddy? And then y'all might see Miss True trickle in, and I'm gonna see Mr. Sammy come in. There she go. Hey, True. Look like her looking a hot mess. But yeah, we just started taking everything out. I was taking everything out, cleaning everything out at the same time, and we just making it do what it do. And I want y'all to please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Let me stop. No, excuse the saggy breast. You feel me? And the little stubble under the arm. You know, I mean, it is what it is. Quarantine. This is how I look. And like these breasts, it's no excuse for those. It's just, you know, 5 kids sucking on them. That's what happens. You feel me? I mean, anybody want to pay for a breast lift? I'm all ears. Hit me up. Cash App is down below. I'm just joking. I don't got no cash out for y'all. But yeah, go ahead. Finish watch me do what I do. L'Oreal. Right here I'm just drawing off the drawers I just clean off. And this is the part where I just realized that I got too much cheese. Like, I had a good 7-8 things of cheese. Blocks cheese, shredded cheese, mozzarella cheese, Kobe black cheese. I guess we like cheese over here. But I made it fit some kind of way. So you guys, I'm almost finished. I'm at the bottom of the refrigerator, and I must say that's nothing. I mean, that's good coming from this refrigerator, because this refrigerator seen a lot of days where people waste stuff in the back of the refrigerator, everything go to the bottom. I don't look at the bottom for a while, and I take the drawers off and it be all this sticky brown, blue, green stuff. This was very good. So kudos to the Grant bill. Y'all did good. So you guys, I am finished. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I really don't do cleaning videos, but like, hey, why not do something different, you know? Hope this motivated somebody to get up and do something. It could be anything. Like I said, the refrigerator, the cabinet, the floor. Go do your baby room. Go clean out your salt jar. Anything just to get that little clutter out and make you feel better. Because this made me feel better. I open my refrigerator like, oh my God, I can see what I got. Hey, okay, enough of that. You made it to the end of the video. If you made it to the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit a like and comment down below anything, your favorite part of the video. Did I do okay with my voiceovers? I hate doing voiceovers. Just comment whatever you want to comment. I'm always down there in the comments looking. I appreciate everybody that do comment because I love talking to you guys. All right, y'all.